Hey everyone, this is my second deck review. So as I told you in my last video, I went to Mercy a couple hours ago, and I bought a couple decks. So I'm going to do a review on this, and it is the Bicycle Green deck. So they're pretty hard to find actually, and it's really easy to spread, you can tell, obviously, because bicycle decks are always easy to spread. It is the Air Cushion Finish, and yeah. So the bonus cards it came with are, it came with a blank card, and it also came with this card. This is like a mini trick, like it's kind of a trick. Like I wouldn't pay for anything for it, but it's a trick. So what the trick is, you say, you're supposed to have a paper clip and say hook the queen. They put it there, and then you go. Oh wait, that's that card. So yeah. So yeah. So it's pretty easy to spread, as I already showed you, but like this. It's amazing. Look at that. So this is the back design. You probably already saw it, but sorry, wrong card. So yeah. Hope you liked the review on the Bicycle Green deck. And thank you very much for watching.